What's up, guys? Today me and Caesar are going to show you how to put in a beam. And it's going to go right there. The first step is measuring the length of the beam, which we measured with a measuring tape. Here we have our 7x12 LVL beam by 11 and 7/8. Here we're marking lines with the speed square to make sure we have a square cut. Now we are marking from our mark to 167. Here's our 167 mark, both sides. Marking the width we need. Now we will use our chalk box to make a straight line, 11 1/4 on both ends. There's our line. Makita skill saw, which has a 10 1/4 blade. Another skill saw that has a 7 1/4 blade we will use first to score the line. Here's the back side. Here we have the 10 1/4 skill saw. There we have our beam. We're gonna place the beam
Just put it here.
on here in the scaffold, and then we'll lift it up. We put one nail at the bottom, 3 or 4 nails, 2 on the back side, and we do that to every single one of them. They should all be level with the bottom, flush. We will attach the hangers like so.